a steel train of thought. Exercise your mind's eye, acid bubbles and diamond matter. Organise the impulse and set apart the radio chatter. It's meaningless. It isn't worth your time. Pointless streams of argon arrogance, no silver-scented sublime except brief platinum raindrops, encasing a golden core. These are what you should focus on and nothing more. But why? Well, CMBR communications from tongues do hold their place, idle ramblings to sleep to or merely white noise. Some semblance of intimate solitude, maybe nothing more than a calming voice. We, as a species, need these moments. Else, what is it all for? Constant thinking and perpetual motion of the human body till death's door? No. Relish and envy, the neon mind. Shine brightly yet consistently for humankind. There's only so much magnesium we can burn before moments of learning to fly fade away. We all need the iron mines, the uranium mines, the sulfur mines, and of course their mine equivalents. But in the grand scheme of things, do they really have any significance? Any at all? Perhaps such a grand scheme is too broad of a stroke. Your mind's eye is so important to maintain. Never let it fall astray, for when that day arrives for you, your brain will be on its way to the grave. And your carbon will be the property of the universe once more. Our fragile, beautiful minds. Don't fade away too soon.